if we believe on the online reviews, the students claiming about the industrial actions and the placement records of this university. And also, what about its reputation and its top-notch teaching methodology? Today, we'll explore about this university and will answer all the questions which comes in your mind. Join us to uncover the secrets of campus life, favorite student spots, and the unique opportunities that make University of Sussex stand out. Hello everyone, my name is Lavish and I'm super excited to have you back on our channel. Today we are diving into what it's like to be a student at the Sussex University. We'll check out fun stuff to do, how they help you and what the campus is like. Let's find out all about this university, including location of the campus, total intakes and eligibility, tuition fees, scholarship, living expenses, part-time jobs and post-study work permit. Stick around to learn all the cool things this university has for its students. But before we start, let's have a quick campus tour. Now, let's talk about the campus life and infra of this university. The University of Sussex is a public research university located in Falmer East, Sussex and England. Location on the edge of the South Downs National Park provides a unique environment while the city of Brighton and Hove offers a vibrant student lifestyle. The university also offers various support services, including academic and career guidance, student accommodation, and welfare services to help students adapt and achieve their goals. If we talk about the courses and students of this university, it was founded in 1961 and has over 19,000 students, including a large international community. The university offers undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral courses in a wide range of subjects, including science, social science, humanities, and business. The teaching standards are high and research performance is strong, making Sussex a top-rated university in UK. The University of Sussex provides various support services, including academic and career guidance, student accommodation, and welfare services, making it easier for students to adapt to university life. Moving further towards total intakes of this university. So this university has mainly two intakes in September and August, and the applications of this university get filled very fast. Now you must be wondering of eligibility criteria of this university. So the eligibility criteria of this university depend on the courses you choose. University of Sussex has specific admission criteria for undergraduate and postgraduate programs. International students must demonstrate English language proficiency through tests such as IELTS, TOEFL, or PTE. For more detailed information about the eligibility criteria, you can contact us on our helpline number given below. Now, let's talk about the fee factor of this university. The tuition fees at the University of Sussex in UK vary depending on the level of study and specific programs. For undergraduate programs, the annual tuition fees for international students can range from approximately £14,000 to £20,000. For postgraduate programs, the fee can range from approximately 15,000 to 25,000 pounds per year. Apart from this, university has many scholarship programs for the international students. Scholarships are basically the financial support provided by the university as a fee deduction. If you are a brighter or a normal student, this university provide many scholarships to different level of students. For more detailed information about scholarships, please feel free to contact us on our helpline number. In addition to tuition fees, students also need to consider the cost of living while studying at the University of Sussex. Estimated monthly cost of living for a student in Sussex is around £800 to £1,000, which includes accommodation, food, transportation, books, and other personal expenses. Wondering how to cover those living expenses? Well, University of Sussex has got you covered. As an international student, you can work part-time during your studies up to 20 hours per week during term time and full-time during vacations. And benefit of studying at this university is that you will find plenty of opportunities on campus as well, like research assistant, campus coordinator, in marketing team, and much more. Finally, let's discuss the golden ticket, the post study work visa. After completing your degree, you can apply for the UK's graduate route, which allows you to stay and work in UK for up to 2 years or 3 years. If you have completed a PhD, it's a fantastic opportunity to gain international work experience. Before concluding the video, let's summarize some star points of this university. Number 1, high quality teaching and academic support provided by experienced and qualified faculty members. Excellent reputation, consistently ranking among top universities in UK and worldwide for academic excellence. Innovative and interdisciplinary courses equipping students with practical knowledge and skills for the future. Comprehensive support services including academic and career guidance, student accommodation. So that's all for today, friends. The University of Sussex has so much to offer for international students, from its beautiful campus to a diverse community, fantastic courses, and post study opportunities. It's a top choice for your academic journey abroad. If you found this information useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Colleges 18 for more university insights. And as always, if you have any questions or need more details, drop them in the comment section below. Contact us on our helpline number. Also, Colleges 18 provides assistance for IELTS, PTE, and TOEFL. Until next time, happy studying and see you in the next video. Bye bye.